Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have very fresh, very new suggestion. Today we are gonna listen the same song that we listened Jushen's The Mask Show performance. The name of the song is The Sound of Falling Slow. It was a very dreamy, very beautiful performance from Jushen, and JJ Lin's performance is also suggested. We are gonna watch this video from the TV show named The Dream Voice 3, and I'm curious about his performance also. Let's start. Ooh, it started very traditional. Oh yes. Oh yes.
静静在城中结冰。
I was thinking that how beautiful, how gentle Jushen's performance, but JJ Lin, come on. His voice is so gentle, so soft also, like Jushen. He started amazing. He started like cloudy performance. His performance is feeling so cloudy, like you are walking on the clouds. So beautiful. I love that. Let's continue.
相逢是前世注定，痛并把快乐尝尽。明明话那么安心，假装那只是定义，泪尽也不能相信，此生如纸般薄命。
Beautiful, my friends. I think this is my second reaction to JJ Lin. I remember that I reacted his The Wind is Blowing performance, and in that performance it was very gentle, very impressive also, like this one. He's a great singer. I love to listen him. He has that beautiful, gentle voice style, and I love to listen him. If I remember correctly, this was a soundtrack, right? This song. It was a soundtrack. I remember like that. It was writing in the comments of the Jushen's performance. I think this is a soundtrack.
我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，闭着眼睛幻想它不会停，已没办法靠近，却不是太薄情，只是贪恋窗外好风景。我慢慢地品雪落下。 轻轻睁开了眼睛，满天的雪无情，谁来陪这一生好光景？
That head voice, that head note, it was very surprising, it was very unexpected. But he managed that suddenly, without any giving signal. Immediately, and it was perfect. It was so smooth. I like that. And this lady, she's taking notes. She's taking her job is very serious. She doesn't want to forget anything. She's like me. I always forget what I want to say. Okay, I like this style.
明明话那么寒心。 假装，那只是 纸般破灭。我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，闭着眼睛幻想它不会停，你没办法靠近，绝不是太多情，只是贪恋窗外好风景。
This performance is sounding so powerful, my friends. It is sounding so powerful. Okay, he started very gentle. He started with very soft tones, but this performance is sounding so powerful. This is the main difference from Jushan. Jushan performance is always so softly, so gentle. But JJ Lin, he is using that soft part, but also he is using strength to this performance, that powerful parts in this performance. It is very impressive. Both of them sounded amazing. Both of them, Jushan and JJ Lin, both of them are amazing. I like that.
只是贪恋窗外好风景，我慢慢地品雪落下的声音，仿佛是你贴着我的心情，睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无尽，谁来陪这一生好光景？谁来陪这一生好光景？谁来陪这一生好光景？
Come on. After all of those strength parts, after all of those powerful parts, how he ended this performance? He ended like very fragile, very gentle. This is very impressive. This is a perfect performance, my friends. He used lots of technique, he used lots of style in this performance. Soft part, powerful part, fragile part. And all of them was so smooth and perfectly. I love that. He deserves standing ovation.
雪落下的声音。
He is very talented. He is amazingly talented. He is crazy talented. JJ Lin, and he sang a song named The Sound of Falling Snow, and this show names Dream Voice. I love to listen this part, my friends. Thank you for your suggestions. Jushan and JJ Lin. Little differences, little nuances, but both of them are so beautiful performance because both of them are very quality singers, very quality artists from China. Thank you, my friends, for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.